Cleaning. I just love cleaning. I hope the person who invented it was given an award for their genius invention. And anyway, how can anyone punish their own sister with these medieval methods? As if there really was a reason for that.
Hi guys! Am I seeing things or is this silly girl cleaning with Sue's favorite shirt? I need to make sure.
Who knew Fluffy wasn't supposed to ride in the washing machine? He seemed to have enjoyed it. Where does it say cats can ride washing machines?
Hi, Samantha! Hey, Samantha, how are ya, Samantha? Let's go play!
I can't. I need to clean. So sorry, guys. No video today.
Are you running a fever? Sue will do the cleaning, come!
No, Sue told me to clean. It turns out you have to pay for your mischief.
What did you do?
Well, first I gave Fluffy a ride in the washing machine. Then I made a scarf out of Sue's dress. But the last straw for Sue was when I wished her good morning in the bathroom mirror.
Oh, you're something.
It would have been fine, but Sue took away my phone, my computer, and the internet for a week.
Oh, that's too cruel. Who put her in charge anyway?
That's right. Huh. She'll see.
Actually, we can have fun without the internet. For example, inflate some balloon and pop them.
Give me that.
Hey, I've got a black one too.
It'll come in handy.
What are you up to?
Well, I've had this Halloween idea, and it's right on time now.
Yay! I love Halloween.
Yes, Sam, bring Sue's doll, please.
I'm off. Yahoo! I wonder which of these dolls belong to Sue. Hey guys, what do you think? Write your answer in the comments, and we'll check and see who was right. 1, 2, how are you? 3, 4, hold at the door. 5, 6, my name is Fix. 7, 8, sorry I'm late. 9, 10, I'll say it again. Oh, doesn't matter. I'll take this one.
I've decided to make a couple of Halloween costumes. I'll use ordinary balloons for that. First, we'll cut off the bottom. This will be the top. That's why I need to make a cut. And also 2 holes for the arms. Let's try it on. The top fits well. I like it. Now it's time for the skirt. Let's cut this pretty balloon here. And here. It's time to try the skirt on. Oh, these stars look really cool. Let's do this here. Oh, no.
Here! I brought her.
Oh, great. Dark-haired Barbie is what I need.
This costume is coming out so pretty.
The angel costume is for my doll.
And for Sue's doll? Oh, I get it.
I'm done with the wings. Now let's make the base. We'll need this fluffy wire. I will insert it into the wings. Carefully now. I don't want to tear them. And now we need to attach them to the top.
And the halo? An angel should have a halo.
Fine, let's make one. I'll take another piece of the wire and fold it like this.
How's it gonna hold?
Let's attach it to the ponytail.
Holy cannoli, she's so cute.
Yep, just like me. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree. I'm gonna use a black balloon for Sue's doll. It'll be a real Halloween costume. We'll make a sleeveless top. Looks good. And we'll use another black balloon to make mini shorts.
Samantha, this is a mini costume.
Fine, let's also make the sleeves. We'll take small balloons and cut off everything we don't need. Now we'll make unusual tips for the sleeves. This will make the sleeves look unique.
As if they were chewed by a dog.
Nope. Let's try them on the doll.
I think it looks fine.
Fine.
I mean, really cool.
Now we'll use this heart-shaped balloon to make a skirt. We'll cut off the excess from one side and the other. I hope I got the length right.
Well, I've got one more red balloon just in case.
Thanks, but it looks rather pretty.
And the horns!
To make her look just like Sue,
Yep.
let's bend it like this. And like this. I hope they will hold well. Get me some of this wire, please.
Here.
We'll make a tail for Sue. Now she'll think twice before taking the phone and the internet for me.
Oh, yeah. In this costume, the doll looks so much like Sue, especially when I eat her sweets.
Or when I cut her dresses. Both costumes look awesome!
I'd wear these for Halloween myself, but I'm handsome as I am.
You didn't put away your toys again!
I'm sorry, sister. I'll tidy up.
No more internet for you ever.
And me?
You too, lazy slime.
Samantha, don't you think we're a little bit too harsh on Sue?
Yeah, I thought so too. Maybe we should give her these costumes.
Good idea, Samantha. Guys, we're off. Please vote for the costume you like best in the comments. Bye-bye!
These are so beautiful and unusual. I'd love my outfits to take part in a fashion show one day. But to achieve this, I need to study a lot and learn to create new outfits. Fashion design is amazing. I'm glad I started to study it. Hey guys, have you ever created your own outfits? Write in the comments. Right, and I need to practice. Drawing is good, but I need to move on to real-life outfits to understand how they'd look in reality. I don't have enough fabric. Can't do much with these. And who will be my model?
I will!
Oh, Sammy, thank you so much, but I want to make dresses.
Oh, I think I'll skip dresses. Oh, use your Barbie dolls! Are they sitting here for nothing?
Barbie dolls? Oh, that's a wonderful idea. Thank you, Sammy.
You're welcome.
I won't only use dolls as models. I'll use Samantha's idea to use balloons.
Do you remember the video where Samantha and I made these outfits? Give a thumbs up if you did. Susie, wait for me!
Sam, do you remember where the box of balloons is? There were a lot of them left. Oh.
Yes, I'll go get it.
Oh, and I'll get everything ready. Hi, everyone. We're going to hold a workshop on how to create simple doll outfits. And for me, it'll be fashion design practice.
And for me, balloon fun. Oopsie.
Can't do without fun.
Here's your balloon supply.
Great, Sammy. Thanks. And for today's outfits, we'll only need colorful balloons of different types and scissors. Don't forget to be careful with scissors.
And what will you start with?
Let's see what we have here. Aha! These two balloons complement each other. I'll make a top from the blue balloon. We'll need the wide part of the balloon. I've always wanted to make an asymmetrical top. Right, this is the opening for the arm. And here's our stylish top. Let's make a cool skirt to match it. This balloon will make a wonderful pleated skirt. To make it, we'll need to cut off the top and the bottom part of the balloon.
I also made something for myself from the balloon.
That's stylish.
Yeah!
And here's our skirt. Time to try the outfit on. Come here, beautiful doll. And...
Sue, you forgot an important detail.
What, Sammy?
An accessory I keep hinting.
Oh, right. I'll use the remainder of the yellow balloon to make a hairband. I'll cut off this ring and a piece of the balloon. Right, I need to shape it. Great. Now let's tie this piece around the ring. Done! Let's put it on. Carefully not to tear it. Great! And we also need…
Shoes!
Wow, Sammy, you can read my mind.
I know a thing or two about style.
Wonderful. Right, let's see. And maybe… Aha! Yes, these. Let's try them on. 1 and 2. Now it's done! Next, I'll make a dress. It'll be fashionable purple. A ruffled balloon will be great for that. I only need to cut it on the top and at the bottom. There! Come here! You'll have to part with this beautiful angel costume, but there's an amazing dress waiting for you. Let's try it on carefully. Maybe putting a balloon on isn't very fast, but it looks elegant. Done! Only too simple. Yes, let's add a small detail. I'll cut 2 pieces of a balloon from the narrow part. And 2. I'll put this piece on the top of the upper part of the dress, nice and slow, and I'll adjust it. Right, and this narrow piece will go through the wide one. And over the head. Let's smooth it all out, and voila! Time to add some accessories. These shoes will highlight the festive mood of the dress. And a bracelet. And a handbag. Done!
Oh, from the heavens straight to the ball. Allow me, mademoiselle. And these 2 beauties also want new outfits.
New outfits? No problem. I've got so many balloons left. Right, let's see which colors will suit each of you. This is a wonderful turquoise color for you. And for you, this one. No. Oh, yes. So bright and sunny. And this clear white to accompany it. Let's go. I'll make a classic sheath dress from the turquoise balloon.
Go on, and I'll select some accessories for it.
All right, I trust you with this important task.
Thank you, Susan. I won't let you down.
Right, to make a strict sheath dress, I need to cut off the ring. We'll need it later. And the top of the balloon, just like this. Okay, now let's make holes for the arms. I'll cut out neat triangles. It's better to go slowly here. These are our openings. Time to put the dress on. And now we only need to decorate the dress with a cute belt. Like this.
Take these shoes.
Oh, wonderful, Sam. I couldn't have selected better shoes myself. 1 and 2. And done.
Beautiful. A very busy, elegant lady.
I'm glad you like it. So let's dress you up as well. This wonderful sunny orange balloon will make a wonderful top. I'll cut it off here, at the top, and at the bottom, to make a narrow strip, but not too narrow, like this. Let's see. This top is called a bandeau. It doesn't have any sleeves. I think it's a wonderful top for summer. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree. Wonderful! Let's add a cute detail to our top, a pretty wide ruffle. I'll just cut a piece of the balloon. Right. Let's try you on. Wow, it looks even better than I expected. And this balloon will make a cute summery skirt. We need to cut off the top and the bottom. Let's see how this pretty skirt will look on you. I also had a skirt like this. Very summery.
So, time for shoes.
All right, Sam.
And now it's time to accessorize.
Oh, these are wonderful summer accessories, Sammy. Gorgeous. So our summery sunny beauty is ready.
Attention, everyone! I present to you the first fashion show of a new designer, Susan.
Oh, thank you. I'm so nervous.
Don't worry, Susie. Your outfits are great. are these pretty ladies in new bright outfits? Give a thumbs up if you like them.
And please write in the comments which outfit you liked most of all.
Bye!
See you soon!
Sue is off thinking about new designs. And you guys, subscribe to the channel to support her. Oh, and hit the bell button to see a new video as soon as it comes out.